JD 26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And we got the EZ-Lock system here. Let's open it up. See if we can get inside here. And they make these things so difficult to open. I guess this is a card right here for instructions. I want to open it so I don't mess it up. And I think that's going to be impossible to do. I'm going to have to put it in a Ziploc. So let's just open it. We'll take all this. We'll take this, trash the box. Trash the box. And comes even shrink wrapped. Okay. Well, it's got a cover on it. Okay, that's good. It's got a cover. All right, and here's all the discs. And they're all cutting discs. Okay. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5 cutting discs. We'll make up something to hold these. You know me, I'll make something up. So you pull this down like that. And then you put your disc on there. Sorry guys. Like that. And you're supposed to hold it. So let's put it down on there like that. Kind of difficult to do. Like that. Turn it. Okay, it's on there. So you have to put it on there and turn it. It's spring loaded. Okay. And you have to turn it to take it off. So you'd hold the disc like this and turn it so you get it lined up where you can take it off like that. So pull back on this. I usually just put it down on a flat surface, pull back like that. See, like that? Turn it like this, then release it. And it's pretty sturdy, let me tell you. You'd think it'd be a lot quicker than, EZ-Lock would be a lot quicker, but it's got a 1 1/2 inch cut size, and this can cut metal, copper, and wood. It would cut wood too, and aluminum too. So I want to show you that today, and that's the video for today with the EZ-Lock system. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.